Hi, today I'm Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra and I'll show you how to hide apps on this device. So to do that, we should first hold for a while our device home screen, then tap on the right down corner to the settings icon. After that, you will see here hide apps on home and app screens. Click on this section and just to hide them, you should select this. Just all of the applications which you want to hide. After that, you'll see them here in hidden app section. Then just tap to done and we can see that we just successfully just hide this application. If you want to unhide them by the same way, hold the empty space on the home screen, click to the right down corner to the settings and tap to hide apps section. And just to unhide them, click on these red minuses on the left upper corner of each of the icon by this way. Then just tap to done to save the changes, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.